One small mistake in IMM 1344 application to sponsor, sponsorship agreement and undertaking form, and your entire spousal sponsorship application can get delayed or even refused without you even realizing what went wrong. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video, and you guys are watching Parry Talon Canada. In today's video, I will show you how to fill IMM 1344 application to sponsor, sponsorship agreement and undertaking form step by step. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are following the spousal sponsorship series or you are new here on the channel, I've already covered some important forms step by step. Make sure to check out the full playlist. The link is in the description down below. Now coming back on today's topic, IMM 1344 application to sponsor form. This is the one of the most important forms in your entire spousal sponsorship application, because this is the form where a sponsor officially agrees to sponsor the spouse and take the legal responsibility for them. This form includes your personal details, eligibility questions, financial responsibility and the undertaking, which means you are legally agreeing to support your spouse after they become a permanent resident. Now let's move to my laptop screen and I will show you how to fill IMM 1344 application to sponsor form step by step. Guys, fill your application in Google Chrome browser because Safari browser is not compatible and will cause you issues while you fill your application, and I will leave all the important links in the description down below. Guys, log into your PR portal. In order to download IMM 1344 form, just click on this download button over here. So once you click on this form, it will download the form for you. But I've already downloaded the form and I've already filled it just to save the time. Application to sponsor, sponsorship agreement and undertaking. Part 1, application to sponsor and undertaking. Number 1, if you are found ineligible to sponsor, indicate whether you want to. Choose proceed with application for PR. Processing fees will be retained. Number 2, language preference for correspondence. Choose English. Number 3, is there a co-signer on this application? No. Number 4, person you are sponsoring, principal applicant. Family name, Kaur, given name Jaspreet. Number 5, date of birth. Number 6, the principal applicant is your spouse living outside Canada. Sponsor personal details, full name Canada, given name Parry Talon. Number 2, have you ever used any other names? No. If you have used any other names, choose yes and then enter the details over here. Scroll down. Number 3, gender male. Enter the date of birth. Place of birth, Rampur, country India. Number 6, status in Canada, PR. Number 7, if you are PR or neutralized Canadian citizen, provide the following information. Enter the date when you got your PR and enter your UCI number over here. And you can find this UCI number on your PR card. Full name at the time you became PR, same as your current full name, choose yes. Number 8, your current marital status, married. B, if you are married or in a common law relationship, provide the date on which you were married or entered into a common law relationship. Guys, enter the date when you got married. Provide the name of your current spouse, common law partner, family name Kaur, given name Jaspreet. Number 9, have you previously been married or in a common law relationship? No. If you are learning something useful from this video, hit the like button. I also noticed many viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get back to the video. Sponsor contact information. Number 1, current mailing address. Street number 150. Street name Queen Street South. City Bolton, country Canada. Province Ontario, postal code L7E1E3. Number 2, residential address, same as mailing address, yes. If it's different, then enter the different mailing address over here, scroll down. Number 3, telephone number, choose Canada, US, type cellular, country code 1 and the number. Number 6, email address, talonparry@gmail.com. Sponsor residency declaration, are you a Canadian citizen living exclusively outside Canada? See who can sponsor in the guide for information on residency. Choose no over here. Sponsor eligibility assessment. Guys, read all of these questions and answer accordingly, but I will go through all of these. Number 1, are you 18 years of age or older? Yes. Are you Canadian citizen or permanent resident? Yes. Number 3, are you sponsoring a member of the family class or a member of a spouse or common law partner in Canada class? Yes. Number 4, do you reside in Canada and in no other country? Yes. Guys, from question number 5 to 18, all the answers are no, but still go through each and every question and answer accordingly. Guys, scroll all the way down to page number 6 where it says signatures. I agree that by typing my name, I am electronically signing my application. Type the name of the sponsor and enter the date, and type the name of the applicant with the date over here. Guys, after filling this form and signing this form, click on validate. So once you click on validate, you will see these barcodes and this form will be validated. These are the barcodes after you validate the form. In the next part of this spousal sponsorship series, I will show you how to fill out IMM 5532 relationship information and sponsorship evaluation form step by step. So stay connected. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.